It was brought to the Maverick's attention recently that current J3's General Secretary and presidential aspirant and candidate, Mr. Garth Gale, has conspicuously not been doing much, if any, interviews, calls to his phone going unanswered in the build-up to the J3's presidential elections. And the question is why? Why is Mr. Gale hiding or being hidden from the public, especially in a context where some legitimate questions need answering about the transparency of the process, including the fact that the current administration, of which Mr. Gale is a key component, is responsible for putting the delegate voters list together? And what about simple questions such as what his plans are for the future of Jamaica's athletics? And is the sport fulfilling its earning potential? These are not unfair, unreasonable, or difficult questions that a presidential candidate should be hiding from. This reminds me of when Mike Ricketts was running for JFF president with no expressed vision or plan. Mr. Ricketts won the election, and look what happened to the JFF. Is that the kind of visionless leadership that Mr. Gale will bring to the J3s? I don't know, but if I had a vote, I would not be voting for no puss in a bag. The puss have to come out.